Matt LaPorta now. Grounded to short his first time up. Drives this one deep to right. Viciedo, it's over his head. Thome coming around third. He will lumber his way to the plate. Duncan stops at third. It's an RBI double for Matt LaPorta. And a 3-0 Indians lead.
Well, there's some serious speed on the bases with Thome and Duncan running.
And LaPorta trailing.
And LaPorta, that's right.
Well, that's all right. They had to read it first. And it was getting over the head of Viciedo out in right field. LaPorta hit this ball right on the nose. I mean, this is a liner. Look at a high breaking ball. 81 miles per hour, and he stayed down and put a nice stroke on it. So Thome had to make sure he wasn't going to catch it first. And then by that time, Duncan wasn't sure what to do, so you just move up.